It is the 10th of March in the year 2026. I'm departing a guest house operated by the Sisters of St. Marie in the small village of Kimpese in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. After a short ride through the village itself, I return to the N1 and resume my pilgrimage south, by now approaching the frontier with Angola. For a time, the road carries me through a fertile countryside where hills rise softly and rivers carve modest valleys between them. But gradually, the villages press inward, the road grows busier, and as the border approaches, it feels as though the people are reaching out to me. A final farewell, a final kindness, before I depart their presence and enter the next chapter of Begin Again. On the Congolese side of the border, I discover my passport was never stamped when I crossed the Congo River. The sisters in Kinshasa come to my aid, speaking through my cell phone with immigration until the issue is resolved. On the Angolan side, an immigration officer motions for me to follow him. First by motorcycle, then on foot, he guides me to the frontier itself. After acquiring a SIM card, the weather shifts, wind rises, rain begins. Dirt sections turn to mud, covering both the bicycle and me in grit. And almost immediately, the left shifter stops working. So in a light rain, I mount my phone to the handlebars, stuff a towel in my jersey to wipe the screen every 10 or 15 seconds, and use the SRAM app to repeatedly reverse the shift direction of the right working shifter all the way nearly 40 kilometers to Banza, Congo. And because of delays, darkness falls before I reach the city, and the first hotel refuses euros in US dollars. But eventually I find another room, and after a long day of borders, rain, confusion, and mechanical failure, I fall asleep in Angola, uncertain what the next morning will bring.